Hi everyone, welcome. So today's video I'm going to be deep cleaning my bathroom. I have not cleaned my bathroom, like really cleaned it in a really long time because I just hate cleaning the bathroom. I hate it. Does anybody else? Like, I tidy it up and wipe everything down like on a daily basis, but really get in there and scrub things, I hate doing it. I especially hate cleaning the shower. Like, that is the worst thing for me. That's the worst like task for me to clean wise. Like, I will save that till the last thing I have to do. Anyways, I need to clean the bathroom, I need to clean the shower, I need to clean everything, probably even the walls, the door, and I need to mop and do all that. So that's what we're gonna do today. I am going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using along with a daily shower spray recipe that I found on Pinterest. It smells pretty good, but it's all like natural stuff, so I think that's nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and put music throughout this whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! So here are the products I'm going to be using to clean the shower. I'm going to try and use this one as much as possible because this one doesn't have any bleach, and since I'm pregnant, I don't want to use too much bleach if I don't need to. And then once I'm done cleaning the shower, I'm going to spray this, and then I'm going to keep this in my bathroom so I can spray it on a daily basis. It's just a daily shower spray. I got the recipe from Pinterest. It's half a cup of water, 1 cup vinegar, half a cup of rubbing alcohol, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. And then obviously this is toilet bowl cleaner, so that's what I'm using it for. And if I do use a little bit of bleach, this is what I'm going to use. I just have a tiny bit left, and I don't want to toss it because I'm just, you know, I don't know, I guess cheap like that, and I just don't want to toss it. So I'm going to use as much as I can, and then, yeah, I'm just going to use this on the tough stains in the shower. And then I have a toothbrush that I'm going to use for like the little tiny crevices, like right here or like down here. And then for the shower, this is the brush I use. I usually just keep this in the shower and then just scrub it down whenever I get a chance. But today I'm actually cleaning it, so this is what I'm going to use. bathroom is all done. The only thing I need to do is bring the carpets in, and they're not in here because I'm washing them, so that's gonna take a while. But everything is done, and I'm tired, and I'm ready for lunch. And yeah. The shower doesn't look all that great because I didn't want to use a ton of bleach since I am pregnant, and you know, it's just a really strong smell, so I didn't want to use too much. So it's not perfect, but it's a ton better than it was before. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to get some things done in your home. So if you guys enjoyed, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.